Metaweave, the cypherpunk social platform on Arweave, just released Permatweet. Permatweet is a feature within the Metaweave ecosystem, which allows anyone with a Twitter account to back up any tweet they want permanently and for free on Metaweave.xyz, an Arweave permit app built during the Open Web Foundry 4 on an immutable and decentralized storage, Arweave's blockchain, aka that Blockweave. Our mission and why this is important. It's more than clear that freedom of expression is a fundamental human right. It's one of the core essentials of all the other human rights, allowing society to develop and progress. The new Permatweet feature from Metaweave gives users the tools to provide the freedom from censorship and revisionism. We believe that by giving individuals the choice to back up what they post on Twitter permanently, we can play a big role to fighting censorship in general, hopefully influencing positive change in the world. Metaweave was conceived from the idea to build a decentralized Twitter as an Arweave permit app. As the development of Metaweave progressed, we started to think that a social ecosystem on Arweave was needed. That's why Arweave account.metaweave.xyz, quote-unquote Arweave's deity, was brought to the public. We also wanted to bring a way for Twitter's users to back up tweets permanently. The fact that Elon Musk began to speak about buying Twitter to bring back freedom of speech on the platform convinced us that using the immutability of Arweave's blockchain and Metaweave, a neutral permit app, was a good way to bring more freedom of speech, decentralization, and censorship resistance on Twitter. Metaweave's answer to bring a solution to the lack of democracy and governance felt by Twitter's users in the platform's moderation is Permatweet. This is how it works. Just kidding. It's super simple. Permatweet uses the Twitter API and Metaweave.xyz to give the possibility to any Twitter's user to back up any tweet they want permanently. To do so, you just need to log into your Twitter. When you see a tweet you would like to back up permanently, just comment it with one of those 3 hashtags: #save, #archive, or #Permaweb. To show you how simple it is, my colleague will back up a tweet and show you where you can find it on Metaweave.xyz. He chose to use #save for this example. Now, if you go to Metaweave.xyz and then click Archive Tweets, you can see it has been uploaded there permanently. The post indicates the original link of the tweet, the Twitter account that backed it up, and the tax ID of the Arweave's instruction used to post the tweet on Metaweave. How does it work in practice? This feature relies on a Permatweet Arweave account and on Twitter API. The API is used to detect every comment with one of the necessary hashtags, and a Permatweet Arweave account is linked to an Arweave wallet used to post the content of the tweet on Metaweave. So for the feature to work, the Metaweave team tops up the Permatweet wallet with AR. We consider this feature as a public good that we bring to Twitter users to give them the possibility to decide which content should stay online and visible forever despite the platform's will. If you want this feature to continue working over time and you feel concerned about freedom of speech on the internet, you can make a donation to Permatweet's Arweave wallet. Thank you.